Busy Phillips has starred in some of the biggest TV shows around, like Dawson's Creek, right? And in Cougar Town. And has walked the red carpet alongside some of the biggest celebrities, like her best friend, Michelle Williams. But behind the scenes, the demands of her professional life did not work for her personal life. So she decided to cast herself in the role of a lifetime, literally featuring her own life in the most unfiltered way out there, sharing absolutely everything, and I mean everything, with her followers on Instagram. Maybe even oversharing with millions of people every day about her career, about being a mom, and of course, her health. Take a look.
Oh my God, do raccoons murder one another after they have sex? Because that's what it sounds like is happening. I hope that there's not a dead raccoon on my balcony. Oh my God.
What do you think if this was your hair color?
I don't know what that would look like. My mom dyed her hair pink.
It's not really pink.
It's like reddish.
I think Cricket looks funny with this color hair.
What?
Look.
She looks adorable.
In that corner. We have to do this all over again.
Oh no. No.
Busy Phillips, come on out. Thank you very, very much.
Oh my gosh, thanks for having me.
Well, they're more excited than I am even. They're jumping up and down.
I'm very excited. Hi, everybody. Hi.
Oh, wait, how do you like the couch? I made it look like yours.
This is a little bit like mine, and I do sit on this side, but I normally cozy up. I pull my legs up, and I
put your
get
feet up.
Cozy.
I thought you'd enjoy this.
Yeah, I really like it. Thanks so much. Thanks for having me.
I'm just happy you're here. I was
Thank
very
you.
worried about you. Had a severe cases of some hive ailment.
It's always something with me, Dr. Oz. Yeah, I took a nice long warm bath in this eucalyptus thing, and my husband came in and was looking at the package, and he said, "How much did you put in?" And I was like, "I don't know, I just dumped a bunch in." And he's like, "It says to use a tablespoon, 1 tablespoon." I probably put in like 3 cups. So anyway, needless to say, the next morning I woke up and I was covered in hives. And then this week they're kind of like coming and going, and they showed up last night. And I had to take Benadryl, but it helped me sleep, so.
So do you have a doctor on Instacall?
No. No, I mean, I have my doctors in Los Angeles, and I call different doctors depending on what is happening to me.
So there was one health scare you had that was a very serious one, which is this ovarian torsion.
Yes.
Which I love you can explain. This is a picture you posted in the hospital.
Yeah.
There
I was.
You know, you're not very happy.
I was wearing a hysterical female t-shirt, and I thought that was pretty funny. The irony of that.
Yes. But
shirt when I was struck.
How did you know that you needed to go to the hospital for an ovarian torsion?
I didn't know what it was. All I knew was that I was curled on the floor of the hotel. I couldn't get up, and I just knew something was very wrong. Not since I gave natural childbirth have I had that kind of like pain in my abdomen.
Come on over here. I want to actually show you what ovarian torsion is.
Oh my gosh,
Go.
Dr. Oz.
This is a highlight. By the way, I know you have Oprah on speed dial.
I mean, you have Oprah on speed dial. Oprah called me one time, and it was the highlight of my show. If you haven't watched it, you can watch that clip on YouTube because I can't stop crying when she called me. She's like everything to me, Dr. Oz.
She's the fairest woman I know. Now, on that note, though, she loves organs. Are you ready for your organs?
Okay.
All right.
Is that an ovary?
This is actually the uterus.
Oh, what?
That's
how small a uterus is?
Yes. Go ahead and feel it. You see how strong the muscle is? You can hold a baby in there?
Yeah.
So what happened to you is this ovary twisted like this. It flips.
He flipped.
And when it flips like that, you can see that torsion there, that little twist?
That's the pain.
Yep, that's the pain.
It doesn't feel great, you guys. It hurts.
And the problem with that is that when it twists like that, it suffocates the ovary and the ovary dies.
That happened to a good friend of mine from high school.
Oh, no.
Yeah, and she had her ovary removed. She had to have it removed.
So what happened to you?
My ovary flipped back around, non-surgically.
Only Busy Phillips would have an ovary that flips on herself. Now, here's the thing. But the reason I want to talk about this is not because you got lucky and didn't have the ovarian torsion. It's because there was a caption on the post that you made that I want everyone to see.
Okay.
It's very cool because he's right. He says, "Don't be a hero, go to the doctor." And then you called yourself an idiot, right?
I felt like an idiot. You know?
See, I don't think anyone should be afraid to go to a doctor.
Yes.
And in order to celebrate that, I got you a little present.
What?
Yes, from now on, I want you to spread the
No.
message. Yes.
Dr. Oz!
Your own cutout. So I'll say like this. Now you have a double of me.
I'm so excited. Can we send this back to LA for real?
Yes.
Because you know I have a cutout of my best friend Michelle Williams, and she's in my office.
I know
There she
about
is.
this. She is.
So now I'm gonna have my Dr. Oz, and I'm gonna ask you questions all the time.
Well, that's what I want. I want you just to post, say, I've got
Okay,
questions for
Dr.
you.
Oz, I have questions for you. But I really do think, and part of, when you talk about Instagram and you talk about oversharing and all of these things, and part of what I think needs to change is especially for women. Like, we know that women sometimes feel like we're just gonna power through and we're not gonna go to the doctor. And, I feel like it's so important to get the message out. It's okay, go to the doctor. You can go get help, please.
Embarrassment is a foolish reason to die. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss out on new videos to live the good life.